Here's the thing about coming out of a domestic violence situation. You have spent whatever period of time in that relationship managing the other parent's behavior, managing their moods, gauging their moods. I bet you could tell what kind of mood they were in when they walked in that front door. You were in survival mode, trying to maintain your safety and your children's safety in that home. With that comes a lot of coping mechanisms. Those coping mechanisms served you while you were in the relationship, but no longer serve you when you're in the co-parenting relationship and going through family court. Let me explain. Trying to keep them calm, trying to manage their behavior by not sending the message that needs to be sent, by not sharing certain information with them because you're afraid they're going to explode, blow up, get mad. It's actually harming your case. You are losing precious evidence. If we want to show the court exactly who they are, we have to start communicating with them in a way that is safe. And of course, if you have a restraining order, no contact order, please follow legal advice. But even just the bare minimum child-focused communication can set them off. And so when we avoid this important communication, the court can often look at us like we are not communicating well because we're not, because we're scared. Or the court can look at them like, they seem pretty calm. They're not exploding. They're not mad. They're not who you say they are because they're not seeing that in the co-parenting dynamic. So often when I'm working with clients who are coming out of these very dangerous situations and they're now having to co-parent, they struggle with this a lot. They struggle with, I know if I send this message, he's going to be really mad or she's going to be really mad. And I don't want to wake the beast. From a strategic standpoint, waking the beast is good for your case. Let them show everybody who they are when you send a very normal co-parenting message to them. And if you have physical safety concerns for yourself or your child, speak with a lawyer about putting safety measures in place. But the natural consequence of starting to communicate in a healthy and child-focused way is that the other parent starts looking for ways to frustrate things. They start looking for ways to create conflict, and this is really good for your case. Gives you the evidence you need to prove that you cannot make decisions with a person like this. And if you can prove that, a lot of your smaller problems in the co-parenting relationship will be resolved because you'll get stronger court orders that protect you from this kind of behavior. So documenting the behavior well, building the story and the legal strategy for court is going to help you, but it all starts with how you approach the co-parenting relationship.